Welcome to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to create layers. Okay, let's start. Layer properties. You click this one. Dialog box will appear. Okay, each object I will create different layers. Okay, first for my object, I'm going to create one layer. The color is cyan. Line type is definitely continuous. My line weight would be 0.25. I'm going to create one layer for my center line. Okay, for my center line, I'm going to change color to red. Of course, instead of continuous, I'm going to use a center line type using center 2. If center 2 is not loaded here, all you have to do is to click load and then select center 2. Here, okay, since it's already loaded, you just have to select this one and then click OK. So instead of continuous, it becomes center. Now the line weight would be, I'm going to use 0.15. Okay, now I have two layers now, one for my object line and then one for my center line. Let's create a few more. This time I'm going to create dimension layer. The color would be, say, gray. And then change my line type to continuous. And then my line weight would be the default 0.0. Now I'm going to create another layer for hidden line. Okay, I'm going to use, say, blue. Hidden line should be hidden times 2. Again, you need to load it if it's not listed here. Okay, click OK. I'm going to use 0.05 as my line weight. Okay. Now I'm going to create two more, actually. Hatch, if you want to shade your drawing. Okay, the color for my hatch would be magenta. Okay. And then it should be continuous. And then I'm going to use also the default line weight. Lastly, I'm going to create one layer for my text. Go to type text. Color would be green. And then I can use the continuous line type with a line weight of 0.2. Okay, that's it. We're done with our layers. Let's apply these layers in our drawing. To apply the different layers to our object, you need to highlight the object you want to apply the layer. And then select that particular layer. So our object becomes an object layer now with cyan color. If you want to make this text layer, just click text on your layer. So the color will change. Now, every time you draw something, whether you're drawing center line, dimension, hatch, hidden line, object, or text, you need to select the specific layer first so that it will be activated. For instance, if I want to draw an object, click the object layer and then start drawing any object. Let's say circle is already under the object layer. For instance, I have dimensions now, I have my text. I can remove or hide the dimensions and the text so I can concentrate on my objects. How I can do that? By turning off the dimension. The dimension is gone. See, I can also turn off my text. Text is gone. So some of the unnecessary entities can be hidden. So you can concentrate on your object. That is the good thing about layers. You can turn any of the layers on and off based on your requirement. Thank you for watching. See you next time.